If your Robinhood login is not working today, don't panic. You're not alone. Many users face this issue due to server problems, app glitches, or simple account errors. Let's break it down and fix it fast. First, check Robinhood's server status. During high market activity or maintenance, Robinhood servers may temporarily go down. If the app isn't loading at all, waiting may be the only solution. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. A weak or unstable connection can stop the app from logging in. Now, verify your login credentials. Make sure your email and password are correct, case-sensitive, and free of extra spaces. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and reset it securely. Also, update the Robinhood app. An outdated version often causes login errors. Visit the App Store or Play Store and install the latest update. If the problem continues, clear the app cache on Android or reinstall the app on iPhone. This removes corrupted files that block access. Still stuck? Try logging in from another device or browser. If nothing works, contact Robinhood support directly through the app or help center. To avoid future issues, keep the app updated, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid public Wi-Fi. For more trusted guides, fixes, and financial knowledge, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Thanks for watching. Stay informed and trade smart.